I believe the best way to learn from an online course is practical examples and resource files. That is why I have prepared PDFs for each strategy discussed. Hopefully, this will make it much easier for you. Additionally, there will be resources that will help you when choosing your trading broker, using the MetaTrader platform, and when trading with the expert advisors. So make sure you download and learn these PDF files. I recommend printing them or keeping them on your computer or phone for a reference guide. There will be a quiz to test your knowledge of the strategies. This helps us make sure you're not missing essential points. There will also be an assignment to help you get started with trading and expert advisors. It will be beneficial for you to complete it, especially if you are a beginner trader. There is also closed captioning, which we have prepared for all of our courses. Click on the CC button of the bottom right corner of your screen to see the words as they are spoken. This is very useful if you are not able to listen to the audio. If you have any questions, you can put them in the forum. I answer all questions within 12 hours, and there you will meet experienced traders. This way, you have someone by your side at all times. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to get more free videos from me.